In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most easiest way to install Microsoft Teams from the teams.microsoft.com. So let's say you don't have Microsoft Teams on your desktop device or from your mobile device, and you want to actually install Microsoft Teams on your desktop device or laptop. So what you need to do is, for example, you can go to your Microsoft 365, and from there we can actually just select. Here you can see we have Teams. So when Teams open, what we need to do, you can see we have the three dots which says settings and more on your right hand side. So click on it, and there we go. You can see we have download the desktop app or download the mobile app. So you have these two options. Of course, you can actually download the desktop app. The desktop app means installing this on your laptop or desktop device. Then download the mobile app means installing the mobile app on your mobile device. So now let's select the download the desktop app. So it's going to actually download to your downloaded folder on your Windows operating system. So after the download has been complete, you can see it goes actually very fast. So after the download has been complete, what you need to do is to go to your download folder, and from your download folder, here you can see we have the Microsoft Teams. But please just wait till you see that it has been fully completed. So when the download is complete, what you need to do right now is you can right click and then run as administrator, or if you have admin right on a device, you can also double click and install. But sometimes installing Microsoft Teams does not actually requires an administrator right. You can just double click and it will start to install. But if you are working with a company device, sometimes your company may prevent you from installing any app, even if it is Microsoft Teams, on your own personal device or on your work device. So it depends on your company. Probably you will need to call the IT service desk to assist you in pushing or installing Microsoft Teams on your device. So by double clicking the Microsoft Teams, the installation process will start in no time. Here we go. You can see it says installing Microsoft Teams on this device. So now you can see that Microsoft Teams have been fully installed on my device, and you can see if I go to my hidden icons, you can see we now have the Microsoft Teams icon being displayed here. So this is how you install the Microsoft Teams on your Windows operating device. Thank you very much for your time, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to like and also leave a comment to help others find this video to assist them in installing Microsoft Teams on their device.